Well, we've been working pretty hard on this and other projects, but just give a quick update. Right now I'm working on the lower dash on the 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. I've sourced a new heater control unit. This one's still good. It just got an opportunity to get one that was completely serviced and inspected and everything's ready to go on it, and so it was worth taking the shot at it. You can see everything on here has been gone through. Still have, you know, some of the older units, but they seem to be okay. So everything's coming together. I ended up getting just little fun tidbits. I ended up getting a brand new cigarette lighter socket, but after looking at mine a little bit more, and I put it in some evapor rust and cleaned it up, and the old one was actually, I like the old one better than I like the new one the way it was built. You see, here's the back side of the air registers, and ended up having to pull a bunch of stuff apart and rebuild it. And it's been fun. Just little piece by little piece is coming together. I've been really bad about uploading any videos or anything like that, and but part of it is I've been running around fairly busy with work, so try to stay on the project. Just a little side note, built up a little paint booth in the hangar, but it's starting to turn into my little workshop because I can keep everything quarantined. Little 10 by 20 workshop here. And yeah, so things are plugging along, things are coming along pretty good, and thanks for letting me share this with you.